Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to jump on a scooter. This will be an easy tutorial for bunny hopping on a scooter. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have this push scooter, this Razor push scooter, and I'll be using this for my demonstration. But the majority of push scooters that are roughly this size are going to work in a very similar way. So whether your scooter is slightly smaller, slightly larger, it's going to be very, very similar, okay? Now, practice makes perfect, and safety should be your #1 priority, so always keep those things in mind. So with that being said, this is how you bunny hop, okay? I'm going to go in front of the camera and I'll demonstrate. There's actually a whole bunch of people in the houses nearby watching, so I might be a bit embarrassed, but you know what? We're going to do it anyways. So essentially, you want to get a feel for your scooter. So I'm going to flip my camera screen around so I can see exactly what you see. You want to get a feel for your scooter. Let me bring this a bit closer and take the kickstand off, okay? So what you want to do is sort of just get on the scooter. Let me angle this downwards. You want to get on the scooter and just sort of practice holding the handlebars and lifting it up and bringing it down with one foot on the ground. So my left foot is just resting on the ground. Okay, let's bring it like this, and my right foot is kind of going like this, because that's essentially what it's going to be doing. Okay, so what you're practicing is using your hands to bring the scooter up with you as you jump, except now I'm only raising one foot off of the ground. What I'm going to be doing instead is, as I'm riding, I'm going to be hopping up with both feet. And as I hop up with both feet, okay, I'm doing the same thing as this by raising the scooter up using the handlebars with me, but my other foot is on here as well, just like that. So we're going to practice doing it at a standstill, okay? So right now, I'm at a standstill, and it's pretty easy to keep your balance with a little bit of practice on a scooter. So at a standstill, I can keep my balance and hop up and come back down just like that. So that's the first thing you want to do. At a standstill, just get your both feet on there, get your balance, and just do small hops. You can just do something like that at first. That's fine too. Then as you practice, you can get higher and higher. You get more air and more air, just like that, okay? So once you have done that, what we're going to do is you're going to practice doing it at a little bit of a slower speed. Then you can work your way up to, you know, whatever you feel comfortable with. So I'm going to angle the camera over here, and I'm just going to sort of glide down there, and I'll do a jump or a bunny hop with the scooter one time going that way, and then probably another time going this way. And now that I'm making all this noise in this parking lot, all the neighbors seem to be watching. So hopefully they're impressed at least. And if you like the courage that I'm putting forth here, then, you know, at least give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go forward over there. I'm gonna do a little bunny hop and then one coming back. Okay, so let's go ahead. So hopefully you caught that on camera, but hopefully I caught it on camera. I'm gonna do it one more time. But essentially what I did is, as I was riding, I jumped up with both of my feet, just as if I would regularly jump, but I held onto the handlebars and I just took the scooter with me. So you're jumping, but you're using the handlebars to sort of take the scooter with you, okay? So I'm gonna do it one more time. Like I said, hopefully it's on camera, but I'll do it again. Hopefully you already saw it, but I'm gonna try it again anyways, okay? So I'm just gonna drive forward. There's a loud vehicle behind on the road, that's why I said drive. I'm just gonna go ahead and scooter forward, push myself forward. Another tip is to make sure that you have both of your feet firmly planted on the scooter. You want to be absolutely secure with your feet on the scooter. And part of that involves setting the handlebars to the right height. So always keep that in mind. So let's go ahead. We're going to do a couple more bunny hops over here. All right, so that's basically it. And I'm pretty certain that those are caught on camera, so we should be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.